Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. I'm not sure if you missed me because I had a couple of days when I was not publishing videos on this channel. However, I am now back on track. I am in a new house, as you can see, and I will be starting work again and publishing new videos. So go ahead and check the videos each day. I will be publishing them at 8 p.m. GMT starting from today once again. So today I want to talk to you about an update that I made today for the Autoblog Iframe Extension plugin. This is a nice little plugin that opens content that other plugins I created automatically generated. It opens the content in an iframe directly on your website. So the update that I made for this plugin is that starting from now you will be able to select exactly which plugin should be opened, which content generated by which plugin, and which importing rule from which plugin will be opened in a new iframe and which will be opened normally. This is because some websites are blocking their displaying on other sites in an iframe, so you can blacklist these sites, and like this you will be able to use the iframe plugin just on the sites there where it works. So let me show you this, how to do this. So first of all, let me go to Newsomatic. I already have the Autoblog Iframe Extension plugin configured. Here it is. Let me clear this new field up real quick and let me show you how it works. So let's go in Newsomatic and import from a random category one post. So let us go also to our site. It's empty, and let us import our first post. It imported, refresh the site, and here it is. So the post was imported. Now if you check the link where this post is opened, it is opening an excerpt with the original website in an iframe. So as you can see, this is an iframe and it is opening directly on your site. Okay, now let's get back and go to the plugin settings of the Autoblog Iframe extension. So let me create another importing rule, let's say from ABC News, for example. And let's run importing. And now if we go back, also the second page will be opened in an iframe. But let's say I don't want the ABC News to be opened in an iframe, just the the category importing. So posts that are generated from this rule from ABC News should open on my own website. Starting from today you can do this. Simply go to Newsomatic and hover over this question mark, and you will have this in your settings. So copy this and simply paste it in the accepted plugins and rules settings field here and save settings. Now if we go back to our site and refresh it, we will see that this still will open in the iframe. However, if we go over this, we can see that this now opens the post that was generated. So the iframe extension was disabled for all posts that are generated by this rule. And keep in mind, you can copy and paste each and every of these IDs that the rules have and simply put them here in the accepted plugins and rules. And don't forget, you can also use a comma separated list of different IDs here. So let's say I want to go to another plugin, for example to Echo, and import here from a feed and import one post. And originally the iframe extension will kick in and open it in an iframe. However, as you can see that this is not working, and like this I can blacklist it and tell the iframe extension that I don't want to open this post generated by this rule in an iframe. So simply save settings, refresh our site, and now the post will open on your site. Okay, so I have to show you two more things based on this setting. So keep in mind that you should go here and copy the rule ID from here. The first thing I should tell you is that you can also input in this list the manual keyword. If you enter the manual keyword and save settings, then also manually created posts will be disabled for the plugin's usage. So if you manually create a post and you let's say don't want to open manual posts in an iframe, you can enter here manual, and manually created post will not open in an iframe. And the second thing that I need to show you and tell you about is that you can also disable the entire plugin, all rules from it, by simply not entering each and every ID that you created, but simply entering the name of the plugin in lowercase, so Newsomatic. If you enter Newsomatic, then each and every post that was generated by Newsomatic will have the feature disabled, the iframe feature disabled. So you can see that this and the other post that was created by Newsomatic both open now on my site. So don't forget to check this new feature out, accepted plugins and rules. That here you will be able to enter a comma separated list of plugins, rules and manual, which will be accepted from opening in a new iframe. So this is a much needed feature for this plugin, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. So also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This was all for this video. If you're not subscribed right now, thank you for watching until the end of this video, and please subscribe and also hit the bell notification, because I will publish a new video each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So yeah, this is all for now. Stay awesome, stay safe, and bye bye.